How to log out of Snapchat account permanently. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to permanently close your Snapchat account, you will need to delete it. So simply logging out is temporary. So here's how to permanently delete your Snapchat account. Go ahead and open your Snapchat application, or the next method is you can go ahead and launch your Chrome. Then search for accounts.snapchat.com. Search for it. And here you can log in using your Snapchat username and password. Follow the on-screen instructions to delete your account by tapping on Delete My Account in the settings page. Log into your Snapchat account again, and then your account will be deactivated for 30 days. During this time, your friends won't be able to see you on Snapchat, and after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. If you log back in within the 30-day deactivation period, your account will be reactivated. So in order to temporarily log out, you can open the Snapchat app, go to your profile, tap on the gear icon in the top right, scroll all the way down and tap on log out, and then tap on log out again to confirm, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.